Alright, this is a video to show you how to use the include function in PHP so that you can separate the definition of functions into one file so it can be used in other PHP scripts. So let's go ahead and take a look at a quick example. So I'm going to name the top level script test.php, and we have the usual begin tag, end tag, and then in here we use include to include function definition.php or function def.php. Any URL can be used in the include. So if I don't specify the full URL, it is assumed that this file is in the same folder on the same website. And to test it, I'm just going to say test, which is going to be the subroutine that I'm going to write. That's the name of the subroutine that I will write. And then we move on and define function def.php. Now the trick to do this is function def.php also has to start with the PHP tag and end with the PHP code tag. And then inside now we can say function, I think I call it test, like that. And we have the open and close curly brace. And to verify that we got here, we can just say print we are testing exclamation point \n for the line feed, and then a double quote to end this. Okay. So now we have two files. One is called test1.php, which is including the other one, which is function def.php. And when we run the one called test1.php because the invocation of the function is in test1.php. Function def.php only contains the definition, and the code inside the definition of a function does not execute automatically without outside code to trigger the execution. So when we run test1.php, indeed it prints we are testing, which verifies that we were able to call the subroutine, that the call itself is in test1.php, which is right here. Test with open and close paren, but the definition is actually in function def.php because the function definition starts with the word function, and this is the actual content that of the subroutine, and the action is performed when we trigger the execution from test1.php. So I hope this quick video helps illustrate how to make your own include file and also know how to include the definition of a function from include file into whatever script you want to utilize the functions.